Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Good morning one and all. Today I, Akshat,
And I'm Manan.
are going to present you everyday science on the topic thermodynamics.
We are delighted to stand before you and embark you on a journey of thermodynamics and its applications in our everyday lives. Thermodynamics is often described as a science of energy, motion and heat transfer. It has a powerful impact on our lives, from the engines propelling in the vehicles to various applications in our homes.
Now before you get nostalgia about your days in 11th grade, studying thermodynamics may be a boring chapter for some but interesting for us. We would like to showcase you some concepts of thermodynamics. Now firstly, in experiment 1, we have hot water in the green container and we have cold water in the white one. To see it, we can see the temperature is low, which means it's quite cold. For the hot container, we see it's H1, that means it's quite high. Now, when we start with it, we see a bottle which has a hot balloon in it, and slowly the balloon rises. In the cold one, we can see it gets deflated. This phenomena happens due to a simple equation of PV is equal to nRT. As the temperature rises, the volume starts increasing, and as the temperature decreases, the volume also decreases.
This happens because when we put the bottle in hot water, the air molecules inside it begin to heat up and start taking up more space, because of which the balloon inflates. This phenomenon is known as thermal expansion. Now, when the bottle is put in cold water, the air molecules inside it cool down and start taking up less space, due to which the balloon deflates. This phenomena is known as thermal contraction.
Now we see an inflated balloon, although not so much. When we put it in cold water, we see it shrinks a bit. This phenomena happens due to the decrease in kinetic energy. The decrease in kinetic energy is due to the decrease in temperature. As the temperature decreases, the vibration of the atoms inside the gas also decreases, and so the velocity decreases. We see kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square, and as the velocity of the particles inside decrease, the kinetic energy also decreases. The transfer takes place from hot to cold, and therefore this proves the first law and the zeroth law of thermodynamics.
Now you may think, what are the applications of these experiments in real life? They have many experiments. First, the heat transfer takes place in a body as a balancing act. This phenomena is used in heat exchanger at industrial level.
Now in railway tracks, you may see why they leave gaps between. If they don't leave gaps between, we see thermal expansion in metals and the railway tracks may get twisted and turned. But if they leave gaps in between, the train can go smooth and we can avoid fatal accidents.
Do you know why overhead electric wires are made to sag? The reason is to prevent it from snapping in cold winter nights due to thermal contraction. In conclusion, I hope that today's journey provided us with deeper understanding of thermodynamics and its applications in real life. Thank you.